So you like the iPhone 13 Pro Max? It's in the office right now, in the studio, and we want to unbox it. I'm so excited. Are you excited? So let's assume we've not unboxed it before. So ta-da, ta-da, vim, the device is here. We open, we're greeted by the device. Oh, unboxing? Nah, this is no longer an unboxing because there's nothing in the box. You just have your USB C to Lightning and nothing else. If you need an headset, an adapter, you have to buy it, just as you've been buying for a couple of years now. So thank you for making Apple rich. Apple appreciates you. For those who are dumb, who do not know where the power button is, the volume up and down key is, and the silent key, we wrote it here for you so you'd know. We waste more paper. Ta-da! That is the gorgeous. You like it, right? Yeah, I know you'd like it. So please go to our store, buy the headset, buy the adapter, and also buy the microfiber cloth to clean your iPhone and your iDevices. You know what? It's not pricey at all. It's just $19.99. Did you just shout? Come on, you can do it. And also, if you need your iMask, we have the iMask also, $399. Did I say $399? Of course, you will buy $399 because you don't want to catch COVID. $399 special iMask. So there we have it, the quick unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. What a joke.